Right, changing the battery on the Lexmoto ZSX-f. We have our trusty screwdriver, we have our new battery. This is a relatively simple job. Okay, so first thing to do, negative terminal first. Ow, who tightened that up? I'll keep those out of the way. Then the positive terminal. Is that out? Yes. Right, once we've got everything disconnected, we have this rubber band here, and we just stretch it a bit so that we can disconnect it like so, and then the battery just slides out. And always dispose of batteries properly, whatever properly means wherever you are. So new battery in, drop the rubber band on the floor, so let's get it hooked on one side, possibly, there we go, and then stretch it a bit so that you can hook it onto the other side. There we go, battery is now secure. That bolt just does not seem big enough. Oh, there we go, it's fine. Okay, so that's the I'm such an idiot. Okay, so now we loosen that again because we forgot to connect everything up. That would explain why I felt like there wasn't enough connectors. And that's because there wasn't enough connectors. There we go. So now fasten that up. And there we go, that's the positive terminal connected. That really just doesn't fit over there properly anymore. And now we can connect the negative. Is there really just two of those? I've not forgotten anything this time. And connect that up. And there we go, that is now connected. These rubber hoods are just absolutely useless. Am I in neutral? Okay, that's probably enough for now, otherwise I will kill myself with the fumes. So, there you go. That's the battery changed. We have so much work to do on this bike. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.